Friday, y'all. So there's a 296 GTB. Let me know what you guys think about it. But we finally made it into the dealership, and here's a beautiful 812 COMPETIZONE. I really love this spec. The red and black is nice, and to me, these are really quick. 0 to 62.8 seconds. Top speed 211 miles per hour. How can you go wrong with a car like this? Behind us, you see the 812s, some more, a yellow 296 GP. I said GP, GTB, and we have a nice 599 GTO. Look at this white. Look at the black stripe going. We have the yellow calipers on it. I really love 599 GTOs. Like, the 599 is absolutely one of my favorite Ferraris. It's actually low key. Nice 488 pista right here. With the top off. And a 430 Scuderia right here. So there's a lot of great things inside of the Ferrari dealership out here in Plano, Texas. But let's take a look at the next part. Right here we have a yellow Maserati MC20. There's actually 3 of them, followed up by a silver one right here next to it. I feel like the MC20s are really underrated cars. People, they don't really appreciate them as much as they should. And there's another one right there. So now let's take a look in the service room. Look at these nice cars. Nice Testarossa. Another 599. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and thanks for checking out the channel. We have some nice things planned, and peace out, y'all.